Hi, it's me.
Hello, it's me, and I am alive, and today I'm alive more than ever. Let me try to adjust the camera maybe this way. So anyway, I'm on my balcony. It's very beautiful weather, and I'm loving it. And I wanna shoot this video directly as I got the gift. So I was on Instagram and I saw a wonderful artist, and she's making jewelry. So I ordered some for me and for Olga, and I know that she actually got it too, her jewelry, because I was tracking the number now, and here it is. Oh, I'm so excited, you don't even know. So the artist's name is Annalie Wolf. I will put all the links down below, and I will attach a little video from her Instagram while I'm opening. Oh, it's open already. Oh, look. Isn't that just amazing? I love the packaging. Very simple, organic. I'm loving it. Look. So this is Annalie Wolf. Oh, excuse me, my French nails. Look this. Yeah, Annalie Wolf. I love it. I am in love with her jewelry. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. So let me open. I really love the packaging. Oh my god, should I switch the camera and open on camera? Yeah, maybe I should do that. So packaging. Oh my god. This is, look at this beautiful packaging. This is amazing. So let me see. These are attached. How do I open? Okay, attached here. Okay, so wait. So this is the one we have, me and Olga together. So beautiful. And I was so excited about this. Oh no, it broke. Oh no, that's so bad. Now I'm, oh gosh. I was so excited about this one, but it's broken. Maybe because they were not in a paper, just were together and bouncing off each other. Okay. I'm really pleased. I mean, come on. Isn't that beautiful? It's not Anna's fault that this one was broken, but yeah, it's too bad. Oh, I was so excited about this one. Well, okay, I will contact Anna and see what we can do. Oh, but it's beautiful still, no matter what. It's really beautiful. Anyway, I will take some pictures and attach to this video so you can see, and I hope that I hope that Olga would love hers because we have the same, so it will be so pretty. Oh, I can't wait, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. So my battery died, but I'm in the office now, and there is where I filmed. Anyhow, this is not Anna's fault that it broke. So I'm still in love with Anna's work. She does beautiful jewelry. How about I will try... Oh! Try this one. What do you think? Should I? Yes. Wait. So, look how beautiful it is. I mean, it's stunning. I am in love. Wow. I am loving the energy Anna put in this jewelry is amazing. I am so in love, and it's so beautiful, clear. Wow, this is gonna be one of my favorites right now. And also I will try the other one, even though it broke. I will try it so we can see how it looks. Oh my freaking lord. All the power in the world. Look at this beauty. I will have a longer chain, so maybe it can come up like here. Wow. Lord, this is so beautiful. And excuse me, my shirt is always looking like that when I'm biking, squeezing. Wait, I'll take it off like that. Oh gosh, yes, look at this beauty. And my boobs look huge on my phone. Oh my god, isn't that beautiful? I'm so in love. Anna, muchas gracias. You are the best. Thank you so much. Bye. So here I am. And wait. So here I am. Here I am editing the video, and I saw a little piece of paper, but I thought that this piece of paper was wrapped around the jewelry. How thoughtful and detail orientated she is. Amazing. So on this piece of paper, say thank you very much for buying from an artisan. Your piece is completely handmade. To preserve its brightness, pass a washcloth gently and it will shine again. It said that silver helps you to synchronize with the natural cycles of the light and the moon, and that it connects you with the deepest emotion and stabilize them. Enjoy your jewel. So pretty and so thoughtful. I love it. Where is the camera? Can it focus on it? I'm on my phone, so probably will not focus on it. No. Well, so here it is, and it was in the box, and I'm really pleased. And look how pretty this jewelry is. So me and Olga, we are real sisters, connected by silver and clear quartz. Thank you so much, Anna, one more time. And guys, check her Instagram, send her some love. She is amazing. Her jewelry is, I mean, come on. If I had more money, oh girl, I would buy everything she made. So pretty, so amazing. I love it. So let me keep editing the video so I can put it out. Maybe next Wednesday I will try to match and ask Olga when she's making hers, so we can match together and yeah, make it work. So thank you so much. One more time. Lots of love.